Here I have a brand new FisItalia accordion in black. It has 34 keys in the treble with 96 bass buttons. There are 4 reeds in the treble, low to middle and high, with 9 switches on the treble side, and I will go through these switches so you can hear them. This is the bassoon. This has a double tone chamber. It has a very rich sound. This is the bandoneon. Harmonium, accordion, master switch, musette. It is a dryer tuned musette, swing tuning. This is the violin, oboe, clarinet. So lots of versatility here on the right hand. On the left hand, also there's lots of versatility with 5 different switches. And they sound like this. Master. Very compact and lightweight accordion with a very beautiful design, a beautiful fleur de lis with very subtle multicolored sparkles. It's a beautiful classic look with a red bellows, which gives it a really elegant look. For a tone chamber accordion, this is very compact and lightweight. It has handmade reeds, beautiful sounding, and very lightweight accordion to play. I'll play something so you can hear what it sounds like.